Okay, I'm going to give you one more countdown to sit on your bottom. Simon says crisscross on your bottoms on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you, Citlali. Thank you, Daniel Marquez. Thank you, Erin. We have a language target today for our language lesson. Okay? So let's look at our language target together. And it's right here. I can use so in a compound sentence for cause and effect. Do we need to look at this to make sense of this target?
Yes.
Okay. So listening ears on, please. Eyes up here. I can use so. So that word we know. And do you see it right here? See the word so?
So.
And it's green in the target, so I'm going to put it here. Think of a puzzle. Raise your hand if you know what a puzzle is.
Una pieza.
Rompecabezas. It's like a puzzle. The word so is going to connect two sentences that are actually going to be combined in one. So show me your hands like this and connect them. So is going to connect two ideas. Show me two fingers like this. You have one idea here and one idea here, and the word so is going to connect them into one. Okay? 0 voices, please. That's what makes it a compound sentence. Repeat after me. Compound sentence. I say it first and then you repeat. Compound sentence.
Compound sentence.
A compound sentence is, show me 2 fingers. 2 ideas
Conectarse.
connected together. What are we connecting it with?
With so.
With so. Good. So I want you to turn to your carpet partner and tell them, show them with your fingers and connecting what is a compound sentence and how is it connected. Go. With what word? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, John Paul. Giovanni, do you want to tell me what a compound sentence is?
Sí.
What's a compound sentence?
2 ideas connected.
With what word are we using today?
So.
Good. So let's go back to it. Let's reread our target. I can use so in a compound sentence for cause and effect. When you think of cause and effect, when I think of cause and effect, what thinking map do you think of? Do you already know this? Do you know a thinking map? What thinking map?
Thinking map.
Do you, when we do cause and effect, what thinking map? Anybody? Tanya.
I think it's that the focus one.
Yeah, yeah, it's the multi-flow map. Right. So this is exactly like, we're going to talk like we do when we fill out a multi-flow map. We're going to start with a hand up, stand up, hand up, pair up, but first we're going to practice. And I'm going to pick a super principled student to be my volunteer. We're going to start with the question. And the question is, what can you do? Why? So what can you do? Why? Here's how we're going to answer. I have blank, so I can blank. You're going to talk about what you can do.
Blank?
Raising your hands. We're going to explain what you can do with body parts you have. So I'm going to give you an example. I have fingers. I have fingers. So I can play the piano or touch things. Good. And then my partner would repeat to me, you have fingers, so you can play the piano. And then you ask the question to your partner. I'm going to ask Lali to stand up and come be my partner. Super principal. Okay, so we're standing up, hand up, pair up, and you guys are all being a very respectful, principled audience.
Stop the music.
Oh, hi, Sitlali. Do you want to ask me the question first?
What can you do? What?
I have feet.
Why?
So I can jump.
That's what I was. You have feet, so you can jump.
Okay, Sitlali's turn, I believe. Sitlali, what can you do? Why?
I have hands, so I can play.
You have hands, so you can play. Thanks for sharing. Okay. Pause. Everybody know what they're going to be doing?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to give you an opportunity to listen. Stand up. Hand up. Pick 3 friends, and then we're going to come back to the carpet. Not with me. Find a partner. Go.
Why? I have eyes, so I can see. So you have eyes, so you mouth, so I Ya merito, ¿ese es el tuyo?
One. Thank you, Giovanni. Okay. Let me have 2 friends share out what they heard from a friend. Tanya, what did you hear from a friend?
I heard a friend say that she has eyes so she can see.
Perfect. Cindy, let me hear one that you said or that you heard. Crazy. Beautiful. You know what I love? I love that all of you use the compound sentence. I just had it covered right now. Oops. I had the sentence covered and you used it in a compound sentence and you used the word so. I love how Manuel is ready to learn. Can you show me that you're ready to learn, please? Okay. So what we're going to do is that sentence that we just used, the compound sentence with the word, what was our connecting word? So, we're going to read this really short paragraph and we're going to put it in a compound sentence and identify what a human has and what they can do because of that. We're going to put it in a sentence frame. We're going to listen to it and Ms. Chavez is going to do one first, okay? Okay. So let's listen. Should we listen to it? Let's listen to it first. Want to? Sound on?
Just turn up the volume on the wall.
Humans live almost everywhere around the
Let's
world.
start here.
Humans live almost everywhere around the world. Many humans live in families. Humans need air, water, and food to live. Humans eat plants and animals.
Yay!
Let's pause because actually we read the wrong one. And we're going to turn off Pandora and we're going to try to do it. Ms. Chavez put on the wrong one. I meant to put it on parts of a human. My bad. But that's okay because that gave us some background. Ready?
Parts of a human. Humans have large brains. Large brains help them speak, plan, and solve problems. Humans stand up and walk on 2 legs. Many adult humans are 5 feet, 1.52 meters, to 6.5 feet, 1.98 meters tall.
So, after reading that, I'm going to read this again. Humans have large brains. Large brains help them speak, plan, and solve problems. I'm going to pause there. And then I'm going to look at this sentence frame. Humans have blank so. Well, here it tells me. Humans have large brains, so they can speak. I'm going to just stop there. Could I say another sentence? Because all I used was humans have large brains, so they can speak. Who can give me an example of another one we could use? Gabby.
Humans have large brains, so they can plan.
Beautiful. Who can give me another one? Emmanuel.
Humans have large brains to solve problems.
To solve problems. Good. Can we put it in that compound sentence with so we stick to our cause and effect language? Try it one more time. Oh.
Humans have large brains to help,
Oh, so
they can solve problems.
good. Humans have large brains so they can solve problems. We're going to read the next sentence and then with your shoulder partner at the carpet, you're going to come up with one sentence within this compound sentence. Humans have blank so. Let's read on. Humans stand up and walk on 2 legs. Pause. How can we put that into our compound sentence? Share with your carpet partner. Right here. Come here, Giovanni. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, John Paul. We looked at this sentence. Humans stand up and walk on 2 legs, Tanya. And so we needed to put that into a compound sentence. Humans have blank, so. Somebody do, okay, Giovanni, go ahead.
Oh, humans
Wait,
have...
Giovanni, because I hear people who are talking and distracting from our learning. Thank you for being principled. Go ahead, Betty.
Humans have 2 legs, so they can stand up.
Can stand up.
Like we shall.
Perfect. Let's have one more person. Marco.
Humans have big brains, so big brain.
Let's let Marco have his turn.
So they can sleep.
Did that say that up here though? What did it say with their large brains?
Speak.
Yes. Okay, good. So we're going to do one more, and then we're going to look at one more piece, and we're going to write our sentence next, okay? And I'm going to leave our sentence frame up here. I'll put it up, I'll tape it up here in a second. Yes, Tanya.
Humans have 2 legs, so they can walk.
Yes. Thank you.
What
You know what?
humans do.
I'm going to read this one. I like to read it better. So follow along with my finger. Eyes up here, please. Humans use language to talk to each other. Pause and think. Let's read the next sentence. They speak and write. Pause. In those 2 sentences, did it identify what humans have, and so what they can do because of that? Pause and think. Let's read these 2 sentences one more time. Let's read the 2 sentences one more time, and then you're going to put it on a piece of strip paper. Okay? Let's think one more time. Humans use language to talk to each other. They speak and write. Let's stop right there. What do humans have so they can what? Think about that. I'm going to give you one strip of paper. And here's our sentence frame. I'll tape it up here so you can see it better. I'll tape it up here so you can see it better. And you can write it in this sentence frame, okay? Go ahead and go back to your seats. And you're going to write it in on the sentence frame. What do humans have?
She said go back and
Mauricio, I need you to work on keeping your voice 0. Thank you, Marla. Thank you, Stephanie.